So when we talk about transcending the world, it's not really transcending the world, it's transcending our subjective world. The world as we think of it, the world of our senses, the world that society sees. So to be involved in that world and to look at its demands and promises as real and final is to live an unreal life. To live, in some sense, a false life. And it is a false life because that world is false. It actually isn't that way. These things that we see, the appearance of all the objects and the people and the animals in the world are not how they appear. They are all simply the face of God. All these objects, all what we call the world, is merely the appearance of being. How true nature appears to the senses. In other words, what we ordinarily call the world is the surface of the world, only how it appears. The world also has an inner reality, has a truth, has a substance, has an essence. When we see the world inseparable from its essence, from its truth, from its underlying ground, when we see the beingness that permeates, pervades, and underlies and grounds the world, grounds all these forms, then we're seeing the real world. And then we can begin to recognize what are the real challenges, what are the real demands, what are the real promises. Then we can learn to live the real life. A life that is possible for it to be full and complete, and for it to be real, authentic, and truly happy and fulfilled.